Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Nectar, and the song that we are going to listen to is King of Twilight.
Let's get started. It's going to be a first time single take, honest reaction by us, pure, raw, unscripted, totally spontaneous, completely impromptu, no preparation done at all for the song or the artist, no research, nothing. All that we have is a request from the patron. We also request patrons not to give us information about the artist or song. They do it sometimes on their own peril. We don't like that because we like to keep it very, very single take. I mean, not single, very, very single take, but very, very sincere and honest, and give you a holistic, real experience of what we are actually thinking about the music. After we've heard it, what do we actually think about the song, the music, the lyrics, or anything that we'd like to share? We like to keep it as real and true as possible for you. And we are very, very proud to be the only channel on YouTube right now who does it the way we do it. Totally mindful, completely spontaneous, incredibly impromptu. You'll never hear these sets of words anywhere else on YouTube. Mark my words. If they have said it, it's after they heard it here.
Yeah.
But that's the way we do it, not just say it. Let's get started. For our patron Marco, Nectar, King of Twilight. I really enjoyed this.
Wow.
Musically, wow, this was tremendously good to listen to. Pulsating, energetic, bubbly, kind of raw too, the music, the way it flowed. Very, very nice to listen to. Especially those drums. Those drums were absolutely phenomenal. But the timing, the musical timing of the band members, that was even more incredible to listen to. It's all about timing in songs like these. The vocalist too. The vocalist was just pitch perfect. He did it exactly the way they possibly wanted to do it. The timing of the music, the drums and the guitar work, and even that organ, whatever
Yeah.
it was, the keyboards
Yeah.
probably, it was absolutely incredible. The timing of it all was just marvelous. But where it fell short, incredibly short, was the lyrics. It lacks substance for me. And when I say that, it means it didn't really have much for me to remember this song by. Lyrically, there's nothing to remember for me. I probably have forgotten it all about it already. And that's actually true. I don't know what it's all about. I just remember the title. So that is how poor it was. Whenever this happens, I know that's poor songwriting. Not much substance in there, and yeah, but I enjoyed it. It more than made up for that lackluster lyrics with its wonderful timing in the music section. What are your thoughts?
I love the vocals. I like that. The way they sing, and then the way the vocalist continues after that. It's nice to listen to. There's something about it. It draws you towards the vocals. It is that kind of vocals. Very, very nice vocals. And then the music was top notch. Everything was arranged amazingly well. Everything was precise. Everything knew its exact place. How many drum strokes, how many beats, what to do, exactly when to do. The only thing, I think the lyrics were written just for a guidance purpose, just to guide them through the music that they created. Because it really does not make sense when the king of Twilight, I see him, I'll pay him 40 leaves for freedom or something like that, and then that gets repeated the entire time. But I love the way it was said and love the music that played. It's a nice song to listen to if actually you don't really care about the lyrics, whatever it may be, and you just want to listen to those vocals and the music. It makes a lot of sense, but the lyrics have absolutely no sense at all.
Yeah, these kind of musicians, people who are into this kind of music in the 70s, 80s, probably 70s, 80s, maximum early 90s, I would put this at. If they actually heard a lot of classical music from Europe as well as India, China, Japan, they would definitely do a lot better in their careers. You know why? Because when they didn't have lyrics, maybe they just didn't have lyrics to write, proper lyrics. They
maybe
didn't
they
have
didn't care about
a
it
strong,
anyway.
strong enough topic to write on. They could have just sang something that
A chant
is
or
done.
something.
The
ragas.
Just do that. I mean, not as badly as I did, but you get my point. If they heard music from India, classical music, Hindustani classical music or Indian classical music for you, if they heard this kind of music, they heard Chinese classical music or Oriental, mix. Oriental is usually referred to for Japanese music. If they heard Oriental classical music, if they heard Eastern European classical music, Russian classical music, and folk music, they would easily be able to make phenomenal songs, one after the other. But unfortunately, they were so busy, possibly in their own thoughts and whatever they were doing, that they just forgot that they needed to look outside their window to the vast world outside their windows and actually pick up something from here and there too. So you could sense that, they certainly lack knowledge
The lyrics are uninspiring.
about world music, and that shows in songs like these. Skill wise, they are phenomenal,
Awesome.
but they certainly lack knowledge of the bigger picture. And not just these guys, talking
Many,
in general.
many.
In general.
Yeah.
I won't say many more, I'll say in general.
I like the idea of yours. Just put the ragas or just put the hooks and
Yeah,
then
it
do
would make it
It
sound
would be
so better, so much
good.
better.
Yeah.
I've heard it with
and so
guitar.
catchy and great.
I mean, if you want to, see what I'm talking about, listen to what I'm talking about, watch Kitaro, Silk Road, any of his big songs. Kitaro, you'll find them on YouTube. Just type Kitaro and whatever major song or you think is a major song, watch it. Watch is there'll usually be a live performance, so you'll know exactly what is done to. Watch it, listen to it, you'll know exactly what I'm saying. You don't really need to understand what's being sung. But the way it is sung, if it is sung, if there's any singing, is absolutely incredible. Same goes for Yanni, same goes for Buddha Ba, same goes for so many people who've actually opened their windows and took in music and different cultures into their music, into their recording studios, and the rest is history. This guys, what is the name of this band? Nectar or something?
Nectar, yeah.
Nectar with N-E-K-T-A-R,
This
not
may be a
N-E-C-T-A-R.
name from Nordic region.
Yeah, wherever.
Yeah.
These guys, if they actually did what I'm talking about, 50 years from now, there'd probably be people listening to them.
Yeah.
And
Music
a
is
lot.
treasure.
But I don't think 50 years from now, people will even know that such a band existed. And I don't mean any disrespect to them. There are a lot of others I'm putting in the same bucket. Today is this song. So it happens to be them that I'm talking about. So the fact is, but Yanni, Kitaro, Buddha Bar, just three I've named. I've not even named someone from my country. So otherwise people get so upset
You're
these days.
promoting you.
Yeah, they think that I'm racist or I'm only top nationalistic views and all that. New terms are coming these days. So it's nothing about
Then we
India.
only listen to
In
Western
fact-
music.
In fact, I'm promoting some of the people
How nationalist is that?
which people in the West think that Indians don't like, which is such a farce. It's such a scam and such a sham. And all three of those words put together. The fact is, Yanni, Kitaro, Buddha Bar, 50 years from now, they will still be known, they will still be heard. They will be dead probably. They may die in few years from now. Maybe Kitaro will die this year, next year. But their music will be remembered 50 years, 100 years. If human beings are still around, still occupying the planet and there's still music, people will hear Kitaro, Yanni, Buddha Bar. But people will not hear Nectar. Apart from the patron who requested this.
And the land they come from.
And his kids, his or her kids.